to do a quick unboxing video. So one of the products that I have loved for the past several years, at least 5 years, are slaps. They are called satin lined, I can't even say it, satin lined caps. So this is different than like your run-of-the-mill bonnet. This is wear outside of the house without getting roasted and all of that sort of stuff. Acceptable. So a company called Grace Eleyae, if I'm saying that right, makes these, and they have the cute little ones that look like beanies and kind of look like fall fashion forward, but they also have turban wraps, and that's something that throughout the years I have not gotten yet. So I recently ordered them. They had a BOGO sale. They're a little pricey, but BOGO lured me in. So here we go. So we're just gonna start with the packaging. I got 2 of them because of the BOGO. And so they came in a box that was this size. And I was like, I ordered 2 turbans. It's fabric. Why is it this big? Okay, and when I opened the box, this is what they're actually in. So I had 2 of them, right? You see it comes in a nice box, and you get the plastic wrap component. So I'm just going to take the plastic wrap off. You can get a nice, good look. Try to see it in focus of the box without the plastic wrap. It's a really nice, heavy cardstock. It says Grace Eleyae Luxe Collection. And these are supposed to be silk on the inside and the outside, so that's kind of why that price point is a little bit bigger, a little bit larger. Bonus points for them, they are Black women owned, so whenever I am buying something pricier, I try to make that a small, independent, hopefully Black owned company, so I feel better about stretching my normal budget when those factors are in play, because it's important. Okay, now this packaging is getting a little bit weird, so they really secured this well. They have like that extra, I'll let you guys see, transparent sticker there to seal it. And so I'm just, okay. You can see the packaging. This is where the seal was. Didn't really get messed up by that. Okay, so this has like a cling open. Okay, they really trying to make this luxe. So inside the package, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to do a nice little wrapping. Another cute little sticker. I love the thoughtfulness that they put behind this packaging. So I'm just going to undo the sticker. And this looks like it's going to be impossible to do and keep it intact. Okay. And this is the walnut color that I got. We can look at it here. I'll flip it to the back. So this is supposed to be silk on the inside and the outside. So I'm just going to turn it inside out for you. And, ooh, it is adjustable. Okay, I'm going to set this to the side right now, and then I'm going to check out the other one I had. This time I'm not going to go through all the packaging because I am sure it is the same. Really interested to hear if anyone else has tried this yet. This isn't a new product. I just wasn't trying to drop the coins that this thing cost. So the BOGO was really the biggest reason. It had been on my wish list for a good minute, like probably over a year. I stock sales. I don't like paying full price for expensive things. So I think this is actually going to be one of those things that is worth the money, especially as we head into fall. good little way to protect your hair and also be low effort. One thing that you probably know if you've been watching my channel for a while, some days I'm full glam, some days I can't be bothered. And that's just really how I am. That's why they're called Breezy Beauties, at that Breezy Beauty, because we're not always going to do this. One thing you should know is to not expect me to wake up like this every day. Sometimes you're gonna get whatever comes out of this bonnet. Sometimes this is just the face, and it's okay. I'm okay with it. I have made peace with my natural beauty. I have made peace with the sometimes we're gonna look hit. And I have made peace that sometimes I wanna do full glam to go and work out, and it is what it is. Okay, so the other color that I got was black, and so same construction completely. So again, walnut, black, and they both have the adjustable strings. The walnut ones are closer to the color of the actual bonnet, or turban wrap rather, and then the black one, the strings are white. And I think it's a really interesting choice that they didn't make it the same. So like the inside out of this is all one cohesive color. For the black, they choose a pattern design, which is more of a white. Still super duper soft. And I just want to see if these actually feel the exact same, because they're clearly not the same fabric. It looks as if both of these are going to be gentle on the hair, just kind of based off of the feel. But this has a silkier texture on the inside, whereas the black one, it just isn't a consistent fabric. So the lining on the black one is 97% silk, 3% lycra. So I already mentioned the price point on this is a little bit high. And I have to think that this is because it's actual silk. A lot of the products, especially that natural haired women are marketed as being satin, they're satin lined, they're not necessarily silk. So the price point of actual silk is going to be increased. So again, this is silk in lycra. And then just triple checking the sag here, I think this is 100% silk. This is silk on the inside, silk on the outside. So that's a little bit of the difference that you're paying. Both of these are at the same price point. They retail for $77 right now. I'm gonna try on the black one first. Let's see. So I can't tie little turban wraps to save my life either. So this is where that low effort beauty look is. I'm not sure if the way this is tied actually looks like a normal way that one would wrap their hair in a turban. The elastic is really nice. It goes on super easy. And again, if you needed to tighten it, you totally could. Just things in the back. I'm gonna tighten it, and you see the white adjustable straps kind of just dangling. So I'm gonna take the adjustable straps and tuck them in. And this is good because we all have different size heads. Okay, I kind of like this, but let's see. And then we have walnut. So again, this should be just about the same. I have a feeling these are going to be super nice to pop on low effort days, during the fall especially. I'm excited to kind of see what this looks like on other hairstyles. So what I'm wearing today is actually a headband wig. It's like my hair braided underneath, and then I'm not wearing an extra headband today, so you just have the adjustable headband. Again, low effort, because today I don't care. Okay, so let me know if you've ever bought anything from Grace Eleyae. correct me if I am slaughtering this name. I promise you I'm gonna look this up after this video and figure out how you actually pronounce it, because I do want to pronounce it correctly. But if you're a fan of slaps and you've tried this or you've tried any of their other products, let me know what you would recommend. Let me know your favorite hairstyle to rock while you have one of their turbans on. And if you enjoyed this video and would love to hear more from me and my beauty finds, like, follow, subscribe. And that way you can be notified whenever I have a new video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.